21. Funny jokes for kids that will keep you smiling.
There are so many funny jokes for kids out there, we simply had to list a few. Have a good laugh with your kids with some of these friendly jokes.
1. What do you give a sick lemon lemonade?
2. What has 4 wheels and flies? A garbage truck. Can a mouse jump higher than the Empire State Building?
Yes, of course. Buildings cannot jump. What day of the week are most twins born? What is Tuesdays?
Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? She was a little hoarse.
6. What does the ocean do when it sees friends? It waves.
7. What did the nose say to the finger? Quit picking on me.
8. Question. What's a cow's favorite holiday? New Year's Eve. 9. What is a cat's favorite color? It's purple.
10. Question. Why don't you see dinosaurs at Easter? Answer. Because they're extinct.
11. Why did the tomatoes blush? Because they saw the salad dressing.
12. Question. What kind of key opens a banana?
Answer. A monkey.
Where does a polar bear keep his money? A snowbank.
What do you call a dog who goes to the beach in the summer?
Answer. A hot dog.
What kind of nut has no shell? A donut.
What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. How did the egg get up the mountain? It scrambled up.
18. What did the volcano say to its spouse? I lava you so much.
What kind of witches like the beach? Sand witches.
Why wouldn't the teddy bear eat dessert? Because he was stuffed. What did the Dalmatian say after eating lunch? That hit the spots.
Thanks so much for peeping this corny ass video. Click the link below and hit up my landing page at linktree/info lover for products that encourage, inspire, motivate and heal.